What's up, beautiful people? It is the month of March, which is my birth month, so I'm also excited about all the different things that we can do in the garden this month. Let's get to it. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people? I hope you all are having a fantabulous day so far. It is now 3/01/2022, which is my birth month, the month of March. Yours truly was born on March the 9th, so I'm excited about all that day will have to offer for us. But nonetheless, we are here to talk about things that we can grow, should do, and how we should cooperate with our garden in this month. As you all can see, I'm also excited about all the greens that are growing in the garden right now. I even have some new things that I put out in the garden this morning. I'm excited, you all. I mean, it's my birthday month. It's kale that was growing, and anyway, boom. It's not about me. It's not about me. It's about you all. So here, one of the things that you want to do with spring approaching rather rapidly is that you want to go ahead and prune your plants, okay? Prune your trees, prune your shrubs, prune your bushes, and things like that, because new growth is about to take place. So you want to just make room for the new by pruning away the old. So go ahead and do that, all right? But nonetheless, here are some things that you can grow, and they even recommend you to go ahead and plant some like herb seeds, right? Knowing that after April, which is like springtime, but after April you can go ahead and plant those bad boys out, which most herbs require like 4 hours of like sunlight. Morning sun is ideal, and then a little bit shade. But then there are some herbs that like full sunlight, which is like dill. My dill is thriving and popping because it loves the sun, and we're in Florida, so we have plenty of sun. But nonetheless, let's talk about things that we can grow. How about that? Okay, now we can go ahead and grow some. I'm gonna do like 4 at a time, and then we'll talk about it from there. But beans, beets, cantaloupes, and carrots, which have something fun coming up pertaining to carrots. But nonetheless, go ahead and plant your beans. Now, I love planting beans along with my greens, largely because it's a great companion plant, as the beans themselves, as they grow, soak in nitrogen into the soil itself through the roots. And so there's plenty of nitrogen going along down under the soil and all that good stuff, which the kale and the collards and the cabbages and whatever it is you're growing that is leafy green loves nitrogen. So pair those bad boys with your greens, and you will be so pleased that you did so, okay? So yeah, those 3 things. Cantaloupe, never grown it. I've only bought it. And so, you know, we'll go from there. Beets, I am going to try beets again. I've tried beets before in my 5-gallon buckets because it is a root vegetable. I don't have to worry about the effects of the 5-gallon buckets. However, I'm gonna try it again just for you all, and maybe because I got a little bit better. I do have these grow bags over here, specially formed for root vegetable plants and things like that. So hey, we'll give it a grow. Also, we can grow some celery, collards, corn, and cucumbers, which I'm excited about growing cucumbers this year, especially after reading all the beneficial qualities that cucumbers have, largely because of their huge water intake and that they have and things like that. So I'm gonna grow them along my trellis over there, which I did my loofah plant, but then I also have some trellises over here in these raised beds that I may do cucumbers on those instead of tomatoes, because my family, we don't really eat the tomatoes I grow. But collards, corn, give it a grow, right? Also, we have eggplants, leeks, and lettuce, okay? Give those a try if you're into the eggplant. I really haven't found an eggplant that I'm into, so I'm gonna let that be. I've tried to grow them before. They did sprout, however, I really wasn't interested because I wasn't gonna eat it. So, you know, hey, depending on how you're growing and what you're growing and why you're growing it for, eggplant is something that you can do. All right, so after that, we have okra, onions, parsley, and peas, okay? So okra is very fun to grow. You have to watch it. You don't want it to grow too long, which a lot of my okra was growing too long, and it wasn't really edible. However, the onions, parsley, and peas, go for it. Parsley is a great herb that does the body well, as well as taste also very well. So definitely give that a try if you have space and opportunity for that. And peas are different from beans. Well, the peas that I have, because the peas that I've been growing or have grown before were very like viney, and so I really didn't even know that. So I was having to grow my peas on and with cages, as opposed to my beans are like bush beans. So I really didn't have to do that. Well, I guess pole beans you would have to as well, but I really like bush beans. So yeah, bush beans, let me just say that if you're growing in like companion planting situation. Bush beans is the way I grow. And peppers, potatoes, white and sweet potatoes. Uh-oh, I'm excited for those. Oh, snap. Should I do beets or potatoes in my grow bags back there? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, y'all caught it. Y'all caught the ride. That was pretty nice. I wasn't even trying. But peppers, I've already done some seeds. Of peppers in the inside situation, and they have sprouted, so I'm excited about those. I'm gonna plant outside again. Always planning ahead, thinking ahead, and you can even get months ahead to see what you can plant by way of seeds, so that you'll be ready in the actual month in which is ideal for them to grow. But nonetheless, hey, white or sweet potatoes, which one should I do? I have this whole little, you probably can't see it, but it's like a little fence situation that I like the vines grow on, or I could put it in the backyard so that my chickens can eat the lettuce, or excuse me, the leaves of the tomatoes. But nonetheless, after that you have pumpkins, radishes, summer squash. I'm gonna grow none of those. I'm really not. But I will say, if you're new to gardening, new to growing, radish is a great vegetable, I think it is. It's like a root little ball situation. It's a great one to grow because they grow oh so very fast, and it gives you immediate success and reward once you plant the seeds. I do a lot of seeds. So yeah, radish, give that a try. Summer squash, no, I'm good. I don't want it in the summer or the fall, and definitely not the spring. Nonetheless, after that, lastly, we have tomatoes, turnips, and a watermelon. So I have a good friend of mine, Lala Crops. I actually put her link to her YouTube down below. She does great with the watermelons, and I'll be excited to see if she does them this year. She did so many last year, so we'll see what she does this year. Turnips and tomatoes, ladies and gentlemen, go for the tomatoes. Go for them. If you're into them, grow them. If you're not like us, don't, okay? Because they do take up a lot of space, and yeah, they're heavy feeders, so you will do a lot for them. For them not to do anything for you is not rewarding. Mark my words. I've done it so many years. I've probably done it every year I've grown tomatoes, and I realized we don't eat tomatoes. So this year, pray for me that I don't do it, make the same mistakes that I have before. But if I do, you all will be a part of it, and it'll be like because you didn't tell me not to. However, with all those things being said, great people, happy gardening, happy eating. It's my birthday month. Let's have some fun. Pray for me, okay? And I'm saying pray for me because my desire is to have one of the books, either the book or the journal, due and finish this month, so that you all can take part of it in my birthday month. We can celebrate together, and so definitely be on the lookout for that with me, with us, and all the different gardening communities that I'm a part of, and or you may be a part of, that I could join because of you, because of us and our relationship. And so yeah, I mean, that's it. That's all. I really could keep going, but I don't know a reason to. However, what I'm gonna do is say peace, I love you, and remember, you do not have to garden alone, because you can always, that's right, garden with me. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Until tomorrow. Yeah, we have another exciting video tomorrow, so make sure y'all tune in. Oh my gosh, I'm excited for it. Because I've done it already, obviously edited, and it's up. However, when you see it, you'll see why my excitement was real today, knowing what you will come in contact with tomorrow. And so, all right, I'm officially done. Take this camera from me, okay? Yes, thank you. I don't need any more. I love you. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.